time is 6.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland, Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland, Choptank River to Cambridge, Maryland, and the Little Choptank River, Eastern Bay, the Tapsco River including Baltimore Harbor, until 8 p.m. At 6:01 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing dangerous winds in excess of 50 knots, located along a line extending from 26 nautical miles northwest of Baltimore Inner Harbor to 7 nautical miles northeast of Key Bridge to Indian Head, moving northeast at 65 knots. Locations impacted include Chesapeake Bay Bridge, Choptank River, Phoenix Shoal, Mill, Pools Island, Northeast River, Baltimore Lake, Colchester Beach, Francis Scott Key Bridge, Mattapique, Poplar Island, Spessady Island, Remancock, Tilghman Island, 7 Foot Knoll, Bloody Point Light, Susquehanna Flats, Wharton Point, Thomas Point Light, and the Tapsco River. As thunderstorms move over the water, boaters can expect gusty winds and high waves. Move to safe harbor or stay close to shore until these storms pass. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for northern Maryland and the adjacent coastal waters.